Flowers, a sign that spring has sprung. As well as bringing joy and aesthetic beauty, these vital organs play a vital role in reproduction, as well as providing food for a myriad of different species. They grow everywhere they can, from the cracks in walls, between paving slabs, grass lawns, open land and wooded land. They are persistent and will colonise any area that is suitable for their growth. There, they provide a vital bridge between fragmented habitats in our increasingly urban environment. Flowers provide nectar to insects. When feeding, the pollen of the plant rubs off on the hairs and bodies of the pollinators. As the pollinators then move from plant to plant, they share the genes of the plants they have previously visited, so acting as a vector for the plant's reproductive strategy. Whilst some plants can reproduce through wind alone, around 80% of flowering plants require animals to pollinate them. This makes the insects a vital component in our ecosystem. Bumblebees are one of the most efficient pollinators. Their cute, fuzzy appearance and large size means that they are able to carry pollen more efficiently than the honeybee. They feed from a variety of wild and domestic plants, nesting in communal colonies that can be found underground, in holes in trees, and even in nest boxes. The gentle buzzing of the bumblebee is getting quieter though. 2 British species have already gone extinct in the past 80 years, and 8 more are endangered. Loss of habitat in our sterile humanised environment and the use of insect-killing pesticides are the main driving factors. Alongside bumblebees, there are a number of different species that rely upon wild plants. Butterfly caterpillars often require a specific diet. As well as butterflies and bees, many flies, a creature which often sparks feelings of disgust, also feed upon plants and flowers. Insects are a vital component to the ecosystem, providing food for a multitude of animals, as well as providing the vital process of pollination. But in order to carry out these functions, they must have plants that they are able to feed from in their multiple life stages. Insect numbers have plummeted. The decrease in population mostly caused by loss of habitat and the use of dangerous pesticides. By removing these animals through these processes, we are removing the first blocks of the pyramid on which ecosystems rely. One way to combat this would be to rewild urban and free spaces, to create corridors between vital wild habitat. This can be done through the planting of native plants in gardens, parks, and along the city streets. The reforestation of land could create vital habitat for insects and other wild animals. Another way you can help is to stop using poisons to control wild plants and pests in the garden. These toxins have a damaging effect on the ecosystem. If you let a wild habitat grow in your garden, you may be amazed by the variety of different plant species that appear as a successive community is built up over the years. Through the conservation of nature, you can help to protect our beautiful world and help savour some of it for yourself.